The expo sounds like all big people talk with words like innovation and technology. And you must be wondering, is there anything I can do with my kids there? Well, there's so many options with so many pavilions and activities at the expo. Let's show you one by one. Let's go! Did you know that entrance to the expo is free if you're under 17, so kids can enter free of cost? Do you want to know what else is free? Baby strollers. Yes, you can get prams or baby strollers from the visitor center located at the 4 main entrances of the expo. The first pavilion we recommend checking out at the expo is the Germany Pavilion. It is located near Al Forsan Park behind the UAE Pavilion. The main reason why kids will love this is this ball pit, which is filled with 100,000 of yellow balls. As you can see, it's a hit with the kids. They love it, and not only them, we adults can also have fun. And that's not the only thing in Germany. There's a graduation hall which includes a dark room with lots of swings, which in itself is super fun, but these swings actually come to life, light up, have motion, and requires everyone to move in the same direction to keep the show going. The next thing you can do is meet the mascots Rashid and Latifa at the daily parade, which takes place between 12:30 to 1:45 at the Gaf Avenue, where you can see lots of fun performances, and it's super fun for the entire family. Not only that, we have seen many such fun interactions for the children around the expo site across various times and days. We'll make sure to link the events calendar to the expo down in the description, so make sure to check it out. The next pavilion that you should check out is the Luxembourg Pavilion at the Opportunity District, located there as you can see on the map. The reason is that this is the only pavilion in the entire expo to have a fun slide in it for both kids and adults. It's about 21 meters high and has a transparent top through which you can see the pavilion as you come down the slide, which is super fun. Did you know there was a carousel at the expo? It is located at the Mobility District where you see on the screen, and it is super fun for all age groups. Parents and kids can ride on it, and it has 2 levels with a theme of all the past expos that has taken place in the last 170 years. So that was the carousel ride, which was free of cost. I'm sure that the kids will enjoy it, but more than them, I loved it. You must definitely visit the Brazilian Pavilion with your kids. It's located in the Sustainability District, as you can see, and the reason being that it has this huge shallow pool in which you can dip your toes and where kids can have fun, swim, and spend their day in a nice, cool environment. We found this little one having a lot of fun there, and we thought we'll share it with you. Our mascot Rashid has his own playground, and it is located at the Jubilee Park next to the Garden in the Sky. Kids will love this ocean-themed playground, which highlights sharks on springs, whale slides, ocean liners, and an interactive 3D maze modeled on one of the most surprising inhabitants in the region, which is the humpback whale. The next one is probably my favorite, which is the waterfall at the expo. As you can see on the map, it is right next to Rashid's playground and Garden in the Sky. It is an interactive water feature which is super popular among everyone who visits the expo. It is the perfect place to cool off in the middle of the afternoon by getting your feet wet, and as you can see, kids can also play in the water, but make sure to bring an extra set of clothes for them to change into. Like Rashid, Latifa also has her own adventure park, and it is located in the Jubilee Park in between Opportunity and Sustainability districts. Latifa's adventures is in the theme of a space city where kids can bounce over nets in a zero-gravity chamber, leap into orbit around swings, and hop aboard a replica of the UAE's Hope probe. Make sure your kids say hi to Opti, who can be found around the expo site. These fun robos are designed to be at the same height as the children and keep them entertained by telling them jokes and even take selfies.
Nice, looking good.
Many people in Dominica cook using stoves that don't produce smoke. The answer is more than 90%.
Oh, thanks for that information. Can we take a selfie?
You can also find other security bots which will give you a warning message if you try to interrupt them on their way.
Excuse me, I'm in charge of the security here. Please let me through.
Can you help me? As you saw, those activities were not only fun for kids but also us adults. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do check out our Expo 2020 guide as well. We'll make sure to link it in the cards as well as down in the description. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!